Hello everybody, you are good I think, and I'm so good at home. Okay, let's start with our workbook please. Open it, page 110. Yes, last lesson we started the unit. We write the vocabularies of the units and you wrote them on your notebooks. And now, okay, page 110 as I said it. Listen and read. Okay, let's listen firstly.
Track B16, Activity 1. Listen and read.
Inventions are everywhere. Look around you. What inventions can you see? 5,000 years ago, people had a problem. They couldn't move things. Then someone found the solution. The wheel. It changed our lives. Imagine your life without electricity. Before electricity, we didn't have useful things such as batteries, computers and mobile phones. Inventors need imagination and creativity. Before the rubber, people used bread to rub out writing. In 1839, Charles Goodyear had an idea. He invented the modern rubber. The Wright brothers tried to fly many times, but they failed. Finally, they succeeded in 1903. Alberto Santos Dumont also tried many times. He made the first public flight in the world. Now that we have aeroplanes, our world is very different.
Okay, so it says here listen and repeat. Please listen and repeat.
Track B17, Activity 2. Listen and repeat.
An invention. The rubber was a useful invention. A problem. I've got a problem. My invention isn't working. A solution. Do you know a good solution? A wheel. The wheel is the most famous invention. Electricity. Did you know that electricity is not an invention? Useful. Umbrellas are useful in the rain. A battery. My mobile phone needs new batteries. Imagination. My sister writes great stories. She's got a lot of imagination. Creativity. To invent things, you need creativity. An idea. That was a good idea. Invent. Who invented electric lights? Try. He tried to invent a better kind of battery. Fail. I studied quite hard, but I failed the exam. Succeed. The Wright brothers succeeded.
Okay, we finished listening and you repeated it. Here we check the vocabularies in the board. Okay. Alright. Okay, I zoomed the text here. I would like to ask some questions to you. Here we read it. And okay. When did the people have a problem? When the people have a problem. Okay, who can answer it? 5,000 years ago, people had a problem, okay? And could they find a solution? Could they find a solution? Yes, they could. They found the solution. What is the solution? It's the wheel, okay? And electricity is very important for us, you know it. And before electricity, what did the people use for electricity, for covering electricity? What did they use? Here you can see that people didn't use anything. They just used the natural things, but they didn't invent anything. They didn't use batteries, they didn't use computers, they didn't use mobile phones. Yes, okay, let's read the next part. And inventors. Inventors are the people who invent something new. And inventors are very creative and they have a good imagination. Okay. In 1839, what happened? Let's look at the green part. In 1839, what happened? Charles Goodyear had an idea, and what did he invent? He invented the modern rubber, okay? So, do you know the Wright brothers? And when did they succeed in flying? When did they succeed in flying? In 1903, okay? And now, are there any aeroplanes in the world? Yes, there are aeroplanes in the world. And are they the same? No, they are different. Okay. Alright, now let's look at this part here. Part 3, work with a friend. What did you learn? Yes, ask and answer. When did the Wright brothers fly an aeroplane? They flew an aeroplane in 1903. So you can ask questions to each other like this, okay? And here there is video and we watched it, you know.
Let's learn some new words.
About the new word.
This is a battery.
So I would like to just remind you the questions. Let's start it about the unit.
What can you see? Is it a wheel, a battery, or electricity?
It's a wheel. Did you know that the oldest wheel on record is from the Middle East? It's over 5,000 years old.
True or false? Water is an invention.
False. Water isn't an invention, it's a natural resource.
Inventions are useful. People use this every day. You're probably using it now. What is it? Is it a wheel, a battery, or electricity?
Electricity. Are you using electricity now? How? Unscramble this word. Problem. Think of a problem. Can you think of a solution?
What can you see? Is it a natural resource, a battery, or electricity?
It's a battery. Did you know that modern batteries were invented about 200 years ago? unscramble this word. Solution. A solution is an answer to a problem.
Okay, we watched it. Now, thank you for this lesson and see you next lesson. Take care. Goodbye.